How to delete all pages and apps on your iPhone home screen. Let's get started. So the quickest method is to hide entire home screen page instead of removing apps one by one. This keeps all of your apps installed on your iPhone but removes them from your home screen and places them in the app library. To do it, you want to go ahead and simply press and hold on the blank area of your screen, tap on Edit, then tap on Edit Pages. And just like that, here you will be able to find all of your home screen pages displayed together. To remove a page, you can simply tap on the check mark right over here, then tap on Done. You will also see a message saying the app will still remain available in the app library. So, you're not deleting the app, you're just clearing your home screen. This is by far the fastest way to clean up your iPhone home screen in seconds. Now, if you want to completely reset your home screen layout back to the original default setup, open up Settings, tap on General, scroll below, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset, then select Reset Home Screen Layout. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.